If your Chevy Traverse won't start, don't panic, as 87% of these cases come down to a few basic electrical issues. Data shows that the vast majority of non-start instances are resolved by addressing battery health or simple cable connections. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify exactly what is stopping your engine from turning over. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and disconnecting the negative terminal before inspecting deep electrical components. These three culprits are the most frequent reasons your Traverse remains silent when you turn the key. If the battery checks out, move on to these secondary components that often disrupt the ignition sequence. Most owners can handle the quick fixes, but major mechanical failures like a seized engine require professional intervention. As you can see, replacing a battery is significantly cheaper than sourcing and installing a new starter motor. If the basics fail, use an OBD-I scanner to see if the computer is flagging a specific electrical fault. Keep these items in your trunk to tackle most electrical emergencies on the side of the road. Remember, guessing and replacing parts is the most expensive way to fix a car. Start with the simple stuff, and you will likely get your Traverse back on the road today without a massive repair bill.